One of the unique experiences about working at DKB in public accounting happens to be that no 2 days are alike, and for me, I find that very powerful.
I really like working with our management partners. They're very welcoming. I can walk right in their office and ask them any questions I have. They allow me to work on difficult and rewarding clients.
My personal experiences here at the firm, I started off doing a lot of real estate, a lot of manufacturing, a lot of healthcare. Very quickly in my profession, in my career, that transitioned over the course of 2 to 3 years. Now I'm at a point where I've taken on a lot of our car dealership clients, also our real estate industry as well. Through my auto dealership experiences, I've actually developed a lot of industry expertise. I've been able to kind of help out our clients through various business planning opportunities, also help out the business owners. And that's something that I take a lot of pride in. More importantly, it challenges me to grow as a professional, grow as a person.
They teach me a lot of great technical skills, a lot of professional skills, how to be a leader, how to lead others.